G'day, Matt from 𝗂𝗏 here. I'm going to give you a quick demo of two new features I'm super excited about. The first is AI fields, the ability to not only generate, but also autofill fields in your CRM using AI. That's available today to everyone. The second is our MCP server for Claude, which is available in early access. You're looking at our production instance of 𝗂𝗏 here, which is why some parts of the screen are redacted. We eat our own dog food. And we're looking at a subset of deals that have closed in last month, or in the current month rather, that have been led by sales, indicated here by deal type being SLG. So we're looking at a subset of deals. I'm going to go ahead and create a new field. Now you notice here I'm defaulted to the generate tab. I can also go and manually configure the field if I'd like, but here I can enter a very simple description or full set of instructions. I'm just going to enter something as simple as closed one reason. So I'd love to know, why did we win these deals and all deals without having to manually capture that, and instead let AI automatically answer that question for me. So we'll go ahead and click create. And what the AI is going to do, it's going to determine what type of field it needs, in this case, multi-line text. And then it's determined that it can use autofill here to auto-populate this field using information within 𝗂𝗏, other objects and records, because 𝗂𝗏 is a call recorder and records all of your sales calls. And because it has all the context of the emails that you've exchanged between people associated with the deal, it's going to be able to use all of that rich context that's in 𝗂𝗏 in order to answer this question for us. Why did we win these deals? On the flip side, you can imagine creating a field for close loss reason or churn reason or company research, or you name it, any field for a deal or a person or a company. You can imagine what you could use AI to autofill for you. So here's our field. It's been pre-configured. It's written a set of instructions in terms of how to answer this question or fill the field closed one reason. And you can see it's got some context that it's using. So the last 10 people associated with this deal, the last 10 meetings, and the last 10 emails that have been exchanged. It's going to use all of that context to go and tell us why we won these deals. So we'll go ahead and create an autofill it for the deals that are shown on this view. Again, this is just a subset of all the deals that we have in 𝗂𝗏. And AI is going to go away and do its thing. It's going to look at all of those emails it has associated with the deal, all of the meeting recordings, the transcripts, and it's going to come back and it's going to tell us for each of these deals why we won them, or at least in theory it should. This is a live demo. It hasn't been sped up. So hopefully this works without a glitch. And once this is done, we're going to go jump over to Claude so I can show you how MCP server works using this data. And so here you can see we can go ahead and inspect for each of these fields. Why did we win? And go all the way down here. You can see the AI reasoning for why it gave that response and filled this field with that detail. All right. So that's still going on those other fields, but now we have close one reason for all our deals. Didn't have to write anything down, didn't have to ask a sales rep to remember why we won the deal. It's just here for anyone in 𝗂𝗏 to come and take a look at. And because we don't charge for seats in 𝗂𝗏, you can open this up to your whole team. So now let's flip over to Claude. And I've already connected our MCP server. It's only a few clicks. It's super easy, even for someone non-technical like me. Now I'm going to go ahead and ask it a question. How many SLG, so sales-led deals, have we closed this month, and why did we win them? Okay, so let's see if it can answer this. There were 7 deals in that view. Again, filtered by closed one for the stage in the current month. Claude's going and thinking about, how do I answer this question? What tools do I have at my disposal? It's going to write some SQL against its knowledge of the data schema of 𝗂𝗏 in order to come back and give me this answer. And it's going to use that context from that field that we just auto-filled, closed one reason. And so you can imagine so many different applications of this for closed loss, the cancellation reasons, the state of deals, asking it to score deals based on that context it has about the deal, the emails, the meetings. It's got all the context it needs because 𝗂𝗏 is that autonomous CRM that updates the field while you close the deal. Sorry to be cheesy. I'm not trying to fill time here as Claude gives us our answer. There we go. We've got 7 sales-led growth deals this month. So that's correct. I've redacted some of the data on here because it is our production instance after all. But that's it. If you would like to give AI field a try, that's available to everyone in 𝗂𝗏 today. If you're not yet using 𝗂𝗏, you can sign up for free. We have a free plan and you can play around with it. And if you are using 𝗂𝗏 and you want access to our MCP server, just reach out to the team by using the get help item in the app. All right. That's it. Bye for now.